The agencies and authorities are on a high alert when it comes to Prajwal Revanna. A month after he has decided to appear in a video and say he will be here on the 31st of May to appear before the SIT. But it looks like the agencies would be planning to ensure that he's arrested right away, because a month that he has taken completely using his VVIP privileges to stay abroad while there were serious sexual harassment allegations and charges against him. The news is tightening around Prajwal Revanna. Sources are telling us that SIT is also investigating the origins of the video. When was it shot? Where is the location likely of this video? And will be mulling an arrest as well. Anaga Keshav joins me for the latest on that. Anaga, because how many accused in facing such serious allegations get a month of reprieve that he's managed to get because he's been a member of parliament, has had a diplomatic passport? How do you think the authorities are gearing up as he says, I will come, I will appear on 31st of May?
Well, Pooja, Prajwal Revanna is clearly using the best of privileges at this point. He's taking his own sweet time, chilling in Europe. You know, he sends out a message saying that I was in depression, I was in isolation, and that's why I absconded. I could not face anyone. That's the kind of, extreme entitlement that is shown by Prajwal Revanna. He says, and even remember, he has chosen the date to come. Not even, it just looks like he's not at the beck and call of agencies, but the agencies are at his beck and call. He says that I will come on May 31st. I will appear at 10 a.m. All of you be rest assured, believe in me, I respect my grandpa and my father and my mother, so please trust in me. That's the kind of pakka politician-like words that was given out by Prajwal Revanna. However, the SIT and all the investigation agencies, they are sort of probing the origin of that video. To whom was it sent? Was it sent on WhatsApp? And to who, who was that person who was in touch with Prajwal Revanna? So
yes,
all these things are being probed into by the investigation agencies, and once they do so, they will mull whether Prajwal Revanna will be arrested right in the airport when he boards the flight, or will he be arrested when he lands in the immigration center in India. So all these details will come out after the SIT makes its decision.
And shouldn't, as a member of parliament, as coming from such an influential family, should have set a sort of a benchmark of how people in public life should be? This appears to be going completely the opposite way, misusing the privileges that he has at this point. Anaga, keep track of what's unfolding in this connect. But it's definitely a big India Today impact, because our relentless coverage and asking where is Prajwal Revanna. This is in the background of HD Revanna, his father, who also has been facing charges, including of kidnapping, was taken into custody and then granted bail. He's on a temple darshan. But Prajwal Revanna, a month on, still nowhere to be found. Remember, the charges are serious. Women, poor women, vulnerable women employed with the Revanna family, one of the most influential families, who have been employed with the family, have alleged that they were being regularly harassed and sexually assaulted. SIT is seeking information on Prajwal Revanna's whereabouts, including the country from where the video has sent. So a month later, Prajwal Revanna has come forth to put a video and say, I will come. Meanwhile, wife of HD Revanna has decided to file an anticipatory bail application in the Karnataka High Court after receiving multiple notices from SIT in the kidnapping case in which her husband is the accused. SIT has served the notice on May 2 to Bhavani, but she did not appear for the probe.
ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಏನು ಓಪನ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಪಿತೂರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯಿತು, ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು.
It is shameful, sir, to say the least. I am not in agreement of what it is. They have to come, surrender before SIT, subject themselves to a due process of law. If they don't do it, the suspicion will only grow every day. When former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda ji himself has warned in an open letter, his grandson has to come and surrender before the SIT. If somebody is still not doing, I don't know. They have to come. It is an SIT's hand, Congress government. They have to go take ruthless action. That is the only way it works, sir.
प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को अगर SIT के ऊपर, कानून के ऊपर, कोर्ट के ऊपर इतना विश्वास है तो 26 को क्यों भाग गए? बहुत अर्जेंट में भाग गए. वो अभी भी झूठ बोल रहा है और इसमें हाथ किस किस का है वो भी हमें देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो भाग गए. इतना दिन के बाद अब इधर आने का उन्होंने बता रहे हैं कि 31 में आकर अपीयर हो जाऊंगा. उसी दिन अपीयर हो सकते थे ना. तो इस बीच में क्या क्या साजिश करे हैं